Alright, so it's January. It's time to start thinking about the early spring vegetable garden. Got a lot of great plans coming up for this new year, 2018. But first, I wanted to share with y'all, we got a gardening subscription box in the mail just the other day from Bloomin. They sent this to us to share with y'all. It's a monthly box that you will get every month if you sign up for, depending on how long the subscription is, but exclusively for y'all, for my followers. I do have a coupon code down in the description. I'll put that down there so y'all can save some money, 15% on their box, exclusive for my followers. So check that out. Let's get this unboxed and see what's all inside. It's always great to get mail, and especially gardening mail, and a surprise items each month for your garden. What could be better? Let's open this up here and see what's inside. So as we can see, they've got some Bloomin' bin. They've sent me the premium bin. They have different bins. You can get just a seed subscription, and they got a basic subscription box and a premium box. So you can, depending on how much you want to spend each month, very reasonably priced as well. So check that out down in this description box. So they got looks like some instructions for what they sent us in the box here. Let's get a little bit closer look inside. Alright, so in the bin, as you can see, got some little card here that explains everything that's in the box. Pretty cool. Let's see what all's in here. Pull this out. This is the January box that I received. Looks like there's some peas, different kinds of peas, and information on there. And then more information there. And then here inside, oh, look at this. This is awesome. Got some peat pots to plant the seeds in. So that is nice. Pull that out. And here we have grow your own Christmas tree. Wasn't that cool? Look at the back side here. It's got instructions on how to plant each thing. And then in here, okay, we got the soil, some spring starter mix. They got all the ingredients here listed, which is very cool. So we know what all we're growing. Awesome. And then, oh, look at this, we got a whole bunch more seeds in here. Oh. Here's some of the seeds. Let me get these out and show you what we got. Okay, the first one are some dwarf gray sugar snow peas. And then we have a sweet pea sweetheart mix. Awesome. Alaskan pea seeds. Sweet pea old spice mix. And this is a Royal Navy Blue sweet pea seeds. So we got 5 packets of seeds. It's got a good amount of seeds. We can use the pots to plant them in here with their soil packet. So this has got everything included in here to get your little garden started. And then they also included, oh, here's one more seed I missed. This is another sugar snap pea. These are my favorite. I love sugar snap peas, so this is awesome. Can't wait to get these planted. And then they told me the first 50 people who sign up for a 6-month subscription will get a free Texas the Farmer's Almanac. So that's pretty cool. So let's check them out. Go to their website and get this free with the box if you get a 6-month subscription. One thing that I do like about this company is they are a Texas-based company. They're based in Austin, Texas. So very nice as well. So I'm gonna get these planted here and we'll see how they turn out. Alright, so I got Gavin, he's gonna help me. We're gonna get these pea seeds planted. Excellent. Pull them apart. There you go. That can right there. We'll put our soil inside and then we'll plant our seeds.
Yeah.
Yeah. How's that? Okay. Here's our soil they gave us, Gavin. Tear it open and see what it looks like. Okay, we'll plant these in here. Yeah, we're going to put the soil in here. Let's see what this is here. Ooh, look at that, Gavin. It's interesting. It's a nice soil, custom soil blend they've got here for us. So we'll put that in these pots. Okay? Let me get a bowl for you to put them in, okay? Okay, let's put this dirt, our spring starter, put it in the bowl, okay? Okay, let's go up close. Okay, you want to put this dirt in here? Look, fill this pot up. Put the dirt in here. Okay, put it in there. There we go. This one. Do that one. Put it in this bowl. Okay, fill it up. You fill those up for me? Then we'll plant some seeds.
No seeds.
Fill it up. Okay. Awesome, buddy. Good. Okay. We'll set that one to the side and do another one. They got pretty good details here. I'll show you. They got a lot of great details, instructions exactly how to grow each seed and planting and fertilizing. A lot of great detail on here, so it's pretty awesome actually. Pretty handy. Great for little kids. Great little set for little kids to help out in the garden also. Just the right amount of seeds really for quite a bit of seeds here to pick from. Got that one full? Okay, set that one there. Do another one. Alright, done. You want to plant the seeds and help Daddy put the seeds in the pot? Okay. Let's plant them in here. Which ones do we want to plant? We got a whole bunch to pick from. You want to pick one? Pick one of these seeds. Which packet? Which one? This one? That's the sugar snap peas, okay? We're gonna plant those in the pots. And then we'll let them grow and see how they turn out. Okay, let me open them up. Okay, we'll put them right here. Okay. There we go. Uh-oh. That's okay. We'll get them. Okay, you wanna put them in the dirt? Put them in the dirt, right here. Right here, Gavin. Okay, you can plant them. Pop it in the soil. And push it in there. Here you go. Okay, put all those seeds in there. Good job.
You got
them filled up? Let me see. You got them all in there? You got some in here? You got them on all of them? Put some in that one. Put some, no, the seeds. Put the seeds in there. That seed's in there. There you go. We'll save these pots first, so we'll go get some more soil later. We'll plant some more seeds, okay? You got them all in there? Okay. Yeah. That's a whole bunch of seeds we got, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. That's okay. Okay. We'll go water in here in a second, all right? Good job, buddy. All right, let's see what this is here. This is a something they sent us here. Make a tree post. Go to the website, false indigo. See, sow the seeds, sprouts in 2 to 6 weeks. I'm guessing this is a tree of some kind. So let's see if we can try to figure this out. Let's tear this open and see what's in here. Okay, what they got here is a seed pellet for the soil, and then there's a little thing of seeds in this tube here. So we'll try to plant this and see what happens. Gavin, you want to try it? Okay. Hold on. Let's let me go get some water, okay?
What is that? A seed?
Yeah.
You're gonna plant it and then put it in the garden?
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Put that in that water. Put that in the cup. Flip it over. Make sure it's facing up. Okay. Okay, let's pour that water in there. Got it? Alright, that's good. We'll let that, it's going to expand here. Okay. Let that soak for a second. Okay?
Yeah.
Just watch it. Just watch it. Okay? And it's going to get bigger so we can plant our seeds. It says remove seeds from the capsule. Wait, let me see that. Those are our seeds. Add warm water to cook and soak seeds for 24 hours. We're going to soak these seeds for 24 hours, okay, Gavin? Okay, let me see them. Wait. We're going to put them right here.
Yeah.
Okay? Okay, you want to open them up? You're going to drop them in here. There it goes. Okay? We're just going to let those seeds sit there overnight. We'll plant them tomorrow, okay? Let's leave it right there. And then we'll plant them tomorrow. Alright, buddy. You give me a high five? Good job. Alright, so thanks for watching. Stay tuned as we get our Bloomin' Bin seed box growing, and we'll share our results with y'all and get these planted out in the garden when it warms up a little bit more, hopefully pretty soon. These peas we'll probably plant, I think they go 4 to 6 weeks before the first day of frost, so we'll get these out in the garden pretty soon actually. So check out the link down below on for a big discount for this box. Check them out. It's pretty cool. Got a lot of seeds, pots, soil, and it's great for the little kids. So make it a great day. Say bye, Gavin.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.